Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of Yunnan cuisine to make an iconic dish, Yunnan steamed chicken soup. This dish is famous for its rich, nourishing flavors and its unique cooking method using a special steamer pot. But if you're in North America like me, finding this traditional pot can be a challenge. So here's the exciting part. I've discovered a creative twist. We're going to use something you probably already have in your kitchen, a bundt cake pan. The biggest difference between the traditional steam pot and a bundt cake pan lies in the size of the opening at the top. Here's my simple and effective solution. Take a sheet of aluminum foil and cover the top of the bundt cake pan's opening. Then using scissors, make a small hole in the center of the foil. This simple hack transforms your bundt cake pan, making it perfect for authentic steam cooking. The next step is to prepare the chicken. Today, I'll be using chicken thighs, but feel free to use any part of the chicken you prefer. Use kitchen scissors to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, making them perfect for steaming. Mushrooms are another key ingredient in this dish. Cut them into triangular chunks to give the dish a hearty texture and enhance their flavor during steaming. Slice some fresh ginger to add a warm, aromatic kick to the dish. Add a handful of goji berries, which you can easily find at most Asian supermarkets. They'll bring a touch of natural sweetness and a boost of nutrition to the dish. Add some green onions, 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt to taste, and a splash of cooking wine. Mix everything thoroughly to evenly coat, and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Now, let's prepare the steaming setup. I'll use a large stainless steel pot and fill it halfway with water. Take a piece of cheesecloth, wet it, and spread it evenly around the rim of the stainless steel pot. Turn on the stove to start heating the water. Next, place the marinated chicken pieces into the bundt cake pan. Then carefully set the pan on the cheesecloth-lined rim of the pot. Find a lid that fits snugly over the bundt cake pan to cover it completely. Let everything steam over high heat for about 20 minutes. When time is up, your Yunnan-style steamed chicken is ready. As you lift the lid, the rich, aromatic steam rises, carrying the earthy fragrance of mushrooms, the warmth of ginger, and the subtle sweetness of goji berries.
Steam pot chicken, oh so fun. Tender meat and broth divine. Mushrooms, goji, ginger's kiss. One warm bite, pure bliss.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.